In this video I'm just going to run through quickly how to set up your preferences and set up user accounts and system settings within Nuvola CRM. If you click on the My Pref screen, there are just a few preferences that you can change. The first thing is that you can set how many records appear at one time on list views. So these are sort of contact lists and customer lists, project lists, all that kind of stuff. This is defaults to 15. You can adjust that if you need. More importantly, you can also make a change to your email address here. If you change this, then you will need to confirm it. So the system will send you an email, and you'll need to click a link on that to confirm your change of email address before it actually goes live and goes active. And this is because we obviously need a valid email address for every user within the system. Okay, you can also change your password here. If your password expires, and that'll expire after a year, then you'll be forced to do this when you log in. And your password needs to be at least 8 characters long. It needs to contain an upper and a lowercase character, and it needs to have at least one number, which is not the last character. So you just can't just do something like my word 1 or something like that. It also can't contain the word password. There are all sorts of literature on the internet about creating secure passwords and creating different passwords for different web services. So please familiarise yourselves with them to make sure that people can't gain unauthorized access to your Nuvola CRM account. Just so that you're aware, we cannot read your passwords. We have no access to your passwords. They're encrypted using one-way encryption. So although your password can be reset, we can't tell you what your password is. You'll notice when you log in there is the option to reset a password as well. Okay, if you're an administrator of your business, then you'll have the settings screen as well. So this allows you to add users and edit users. So if I look at the detail here, this is obviously I'm logged in as sales demo, so I can make changes here. If I look at one of my other user accounts, you'll see there's a little message saying, warning, this user has access to other businesses in Nuvola CRM, so only they can change their email address, because a user can have access to more than one business. And so obviously we don't want an administrator from one business changing their contact email address. We want the users to have to do that themselves. You'll notice here that we have the user groups at the bottom. Now, if you remove if you remove basically the Office Admins group, that is the group that will give you access to all the administrative features and to all project lists and all this kind of stuff. So if you remove that, the user doesn't have administrative access, they only have basic access. You should make sure that all users have general users and sales access. You'll see you can do that from the drop-down list. There is one other group, customers. That doesn't do anything at the moment. That's to allow us to add features later on, whereby you can give customers limited access to your system. Obviously we're not doing that at the moment. Okay. The billing tab allows you to go into billing. You should only really have to use this once. So if you've signed up for a free trial, then in order to activate your trial, which will expire after 30 days, you need to subscribe. And you do that from here. We only have one standard package available at the moment. You just click the subscribe button. That will take you through to PayPal, and where you can fill in your PayPal details and subscribe to our system. So we don't handle your credit card at all. Okay, if you need to cancel your subscription, you can go into your PayPal account and cancel your subscription there. The company sources screen. These are the source types, the marketing sources basically, and where you've got your customers from, and you can add new ones and merge and delete ones here. There's a whole load that's set up by default for you. Okay, very simple. That's a quick overview on how to change your preferences and administer the system. Thanks.